Hello everyone, this is Simi and welcome back to my channel. So my little puppy Rheo is getting smarter day by day. So to witness what all Trixie does, come with me. Come. So let's begin. Good boy. Come here. Come here. Sit down. Good boy. You shake it. Shake it. You shake it. Shake it. Good boy. You shake it. Good boy. Sploot. Roll over. Yay! Get up, get up, get up. Respin. Shoo. Rheo. High five. High five. Yes. Rheo, high five. Yay! Smile. Camera can do that. You smile. Smile. Camera को भी shake hand कर दो. You shake hand. It's good. You sploot. Yes. You walk. Walk. Sit here. Yes. Turn around, turn around, turn around. Head down. Good. You come here. Get up. Yes. You jump. Jump. Yay! Good boy. Jump. Yay! Good boy. You touch. Touch. Do you touch? Touch. Touch. Yes. Through. Get up. Get up. Smile. High five. Spin. Walk. 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 Sploot. Jump. Get up. Spin. Spin. Roll over. Sit down. Roll over. Roll over. Smile. Sploot. Yes, sploot. So that's all for today guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. And yes, don't forget to comment below your favorite part or the favorite trick what Rheo does. He's still learning more tricks. Stick to my channel for the further updates. For that you need to subscribe. Like this video for Rheo's hard work and meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.